We are at HCC Katy Campus, and we are here to talk about the realities of human trafficking here in the greater Houston area and throughout the U.S. I have to say that one of my favorite audiences to speak to are college students, college staff, and professors, because I think that they are keenly positioned to make a difference. And so my hope for the audience as they leave this presentation is that they will be better aware about what human trafficking really looks like versus what they might see on TV or on movies, and also be equipped with action steps and how they can join the fight, and that they understand that it is everybody's role, no matter what their career path is, no matter what their role is as a parent, a daughter, a son, whatever their role is in their personal life too, they have the ability to make a difference.
That people become more aware about human trafficking, what it is, the different types of trafficking, and if they see something in their community, who to contact, and also what to look out for in their community, and in addition to, protecting not only themselves, but their families as well.
I always joke around that, none of us are Liam Neeson, like in the movie Taken. So in the movie Taken, Liam Neeson gets, is fighting all the bad guys and extracting his daughter. And unfortunately, real life is not, the good guy doesn't always win, right? And so what I hope that people will take away is that it's what we call proximity and context. When we talk about making a difference, it's not them going out and looking for it or going online and trying to be these unofficial, private investigators, but in the proximity of the people around them. Again, whether they're a professor, a student, that might mean their peers. If they're an aunt, that might mean their nephews and nieces or their cousins, and the context of their major, whatever career path that they're taking. So the biggest way that they can make a difference is who they have in their immediate circle. Because I don't have their network, I don't know their friends and family, I don't know their employers, but they do. So by being here, they're a drop in the bucket that can spread out to other people that I'll never be able to reach because I don't know them. And so I really hope that that's what they realize, is that they have this opportunity to educate those people in their life and be able to protect those that are closest to them. And in doing that, if we all do that, if we all take the time to do that and they continue to spread it, then we can really make sure that our youth are safe, our communities are safe, and that we can help those survivors that are being recovered from human trafficking.
Encourage other students to come to workshops like these. This is not the only one that's on campus throughout the year. I'm just hoping that my students encourage their fellow classmates to attend these workshops and educate themselves on the subject.